a business owner, I want to send my new sale offers to all my existing customers on WhatsApp whose numbers I already have in this Google Sheet. So now here manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer takes a lot of time and creating a group sounds very unprofessional. In that case, I got to know about this amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique that allowed me to send the same WhatsApp messages to unlimited contacts, or you can see the bulk WhatsApp messages to the contacts in just one click. Sounds magical, right? So here on the screen, you can see a template WhatsApp message that I've sent to my customers about the new sale offer that I'm currently having. And here I've sent this WhatsApp message by setting up a broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you want a demo for the same, you can select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now keep signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So for that, we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving forward with broadcast, let me tell you that I am going to use a template message to send this WhatsApp message, and I have already created this template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to send the direct WhatsApp message, then you can send that too, but to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly, let me show you the template that I already have under this template section. Here you can see number of approved, pending, draft and rejected template, and these are my templates. Let me search for mine. So this is a template that I've already created. Here you can see the message that I've drafted, and the status of my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the automated WhatsApp message. To learn how to create a template in detail, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, once you have an approved template, move towards the broadcast section, and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, we're going to click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast window. Firstly, we're going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. Then for the broadcast name, I'm going to give the name as new flash sale, and then it is asking me to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So as I've already mentioned, that I'm going to send the WhatsApp message to all these contacts whose data I have in this Google Sheet, and in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So for that, we are going to access this contact section. Under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of the existing list that I already have, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. Here if you want to add the single contact, add the details over here, or to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file, but as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. You can select multiple lists as well. For now, I've selected single. Then comes the refine audience. So here you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send the message. You can use list to exclude the contact, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Then comes the message type. Here you can see two methods. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. As I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, enter your message over here, and in the right side you can have a preview for the same. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, so I'm going to select my template over here. So this is the message that I've drafted, and I'm going to click on this done. You can also make your text personalized by adding variables over here. For now, I've used the basic one. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast. That means I can test this broadcast message by sending it on my WhatsApp number first before sending it to the wider audience. So for that, I'm going to add my username over here, and here I'm going to add my number. Then we're going to click on this send test message. It says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instant message has been received over here. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected the past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button, and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data for the send, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend this broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send unlimited bulk WhatsApp messages to your contacts in just one click. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.